Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Salesforce Data Cloud for app-driven insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Salesforce Data Cloud, you first need to log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher on the top left corner of your dashboard. In the app launcher, type Data Cloud in the search bar. Click on the Data Cloud application that appears in the search results. Once the Data Cloud application is open, look for the Setup option in the top right corner. Click on Setup to access the Setup menu. In the Setup menu, search for Data Cloud settings in the Quick Find box. Select Data Cloud settings to access the configuration page. On the configuration page, you will see options for setting up data sources. Click on Add Data Source to begin integrating external data. Choose the type of data source you want to connect with Salesforce Data Cloud. Follow the prompts to input the necessary details for your selected data source. Once your data source is configured, you will need to set up your data models. Navigate to the Data Models section in the Setup menu. Click on Create New Data Model to start the process. Define the schema for your data model by labeling fields accurately. Once done, save and publish your data model. Next, configure any required permissions for users who will access Data Cloud. Go to the User Permissions section under Setup. Assign the relevant permissions to users or profiles as needed. After setting permissions, it's time to run an initial data ingestion. In the Data Cloud application, locate the option for data ingestion. Select Run Ingestion to start pulling data from your configured sources. Monitor the ingestion progress to ensure data is being processed correctly. Once the ingestion is complete, navigate back to your data models. Verify that the data has successfully populated according to your defined schema. Now, you can create reports and dashboards using the ingested data. Utilize the reporting tools within the Data Cloud application to visualize your insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.